Welcome to this Quicargo instruction video. Today, I will show you how to book an order step by step. For a pallet shipment, you first click on New Request. Then, the platform will ask you to enter the pickup and delivery address. When entering the addresses, it is important that you use the suggestions the platform is providing, as the platform recognizes addresses and this information is linked to a digital map, providing us information on the accessibility. When the address is not recognized, you can choose to enter it manually. Please note that it is the customer's responsibility that both the pickup and delivery address are accessible with the trailer. If the delivery address is in an area that has limited accessibility, for example, a city center or a residential area, please make sure to tick the box Residential Area so we can send a smaller truck that is able to access the address. Afterwards, you can fill in the type of cargo. If your product does not belong to the categories textile, dry food, or plastic, you can enter the cargo type manually. Please make sure, if you want to ship goods that require special attention, that you do enter the cargo type accurately. For example, when shipping fragile goods, the carrier needs to know in advance. Furthermore, there are a few product categories that Quicargo does not ship. For example, ADR, which are dangerous goods and chemicals, no fresh foods, and no living plants. You can read more about this in our terms and conditions. When you have selected the correct cargo type, you can enter what requirements the carrier will need for your order. The options are None, Backlift, Side Door, or Mounted Forklift. Choose None if you are equipped to load the pallet yourself. Choose a backlift if you don't have a forklift available. Choose a side door if your pallets are very big and cannot be loaded from the back. And choose a mounted forklift when the pallets are very heavy or big and you don't have a forklift available. In that case, the carrier will bring one. If you want more information on the requirements in specific, please have a look at our requirements video. When entering the amount of pallets, the size is very important. It is the responsibility of you as a shipper to enter the correct measurements and weight of the pallets. If there is a mistake in the order entry and the pallets do not fit the truck, this may result in extra costs. If you have multiple pallets with the same measurements, you can simply change the amount. When the other pallets have different measurements, make sure to click on Add another pallet when entering the weight. The platform asks for the total weight of all pallets combined. So if you have 3 pallets of 300 kilograms, you enter 900 kilograms. Then we go to the dates. For shipments within the Netherlands, you can choose a pickup date and usually the delivery will be the next day. To provide the carrier with the option to deliver on the same day, you can tick the box Pallet can be delivered on the same day. However, please be aware this only gives carriers an extra option, but it is not a requirement. It is possible to request the same day delivery, but this is mainly meant for bigger shipments and it will add some extra costs. When a time slot is needed, for example because the loading location only operates between 8 and 12, you can select a preferred time slot. A time slot always comes with a surcharge, as a carrier has to adjust the planning accordingly.